What's happening, everybody out there today? This is Brian over at BPL Sports Cards and Collectibles. Thank you for joining me again for another pack opening video. I'd like to hope that everybody had a good day today. I just got back from work. Time to open up a few packs, maybe a hanger box here. Good thing is, baseball season is right around the corner, and guess what's out? This year's Topps Heritage Baseball. So we got a couple packs of that to open today. I've already started opening some of the stuff this year, but nothing on camera right yet. And then we got another hanger box of this year's basketball, hoping to find some top rookies, many of those guys, and we could probably find some retail exclusive inserts. But anyway, let's get into it. Let's get into this baseball, seeing as I'm hoping our Red Sox do well again this year, and maybe repeat this year. This has got that old school look, thus the name Heritage. So take a look and see what we got here. Now this thing's got a million different short prints and variations, and it's too hard to even tell what the heck half of them are. But this is what they look like. So we got a Zach Godley, and that's the back of it. So these are tricky, but I think I read online that you can find how variations work by the numbering in the upper left hand corner. It'll actually say what it actually is that you actually have. Sal Romano, Marco Gonzalez, Miguel Sano, Tyler White. We got a strikeout leaders for this year. Verlander, Garrett Cole, and Chris Sale. We got Steven Strasburg. So it's not a high number short print. Ian Desmond. Matt Olson. Jorge Polanco. We have a scratch off. That's different. Noah Syndergaard. Say, what is this entail? So this is old school. Well, I guess it's some sort of insert. Not quite sure what that actually entails, but we have one. Willie Calhoun, Guerrero, Matt Davidson, Chris Archer, Mike Fiers. We got Zimmerman, Strop, Carlos Santana, and we have, this is for the PC, Sporting News World Series Game 5. Celebrate, the Red Sox celebrate World Series title win. Here I got all kinds of stats for that particular game. That's pretty cool. One pack down. Let's see what else we get in here. Got a good old security tag. Can't not have those. We'll have to go back through and see if we have. Hey, got our MVP, Mr. Betts. Not bad. We got the other Zimmerman. We have a Jeff McNeil rookie. Canha, Shoemaker, Castellanos, Nate Jones, Danny Duffy. Ooh, we got a Juan Soto. New Age Performers. Looks like we got something good back there. What do we got? We have a Clubhouse Collection. Dansby Swanson for the Braves. Not bad. Game used memorabilia. Pretty good. And the Soto, too. I wasn't expecting that. What else we got? We got Carl Eldridge Jr. We have a World Series. Another World Series card. Team records. John Gant. Can't even pronounce that guy's name. Luke Voigt. Dylan Bundy. We have a Sporting News of Matt Kemp. Jan Gomes. And Kevin Guzman. So I don't think we got any short prints besides the jersey card and those guys. But we'll take a quick look to see if we have anything back there. Nope, not this time around. But still, pretty good pulls. So we got Dansby Swanson for the Braves. Nice napkin, as they call it. And we have a second year Juan Soto New Age Performers insert. So looks like he's looking to take over in there since the Washington Nationals no longer have Bryce Harper, who is now with the Phillies. And the Phillies can have him because I don't care. But we're going to get into this basketball hanger box. Get rid of the garbage. And we are looking for any of these cards in this box. So we'll open. We have a Jeff Teague on the back. Spoil the party on that one. And do we have anything in here? Looks like we got those 3 green floods. Hopefully some of them's a rated rookie of somebody. Maybe we can get lucky and pull a Luka. Actually, at this point, a base Luka would be just perfectly fine with me. We'll take a variation if we have to. Got Rondo, Zach Collins, Markakin, Dwayne Dedman, Beverly, Capella, Matthews, Zona, Jokic. Gotta flip it around. Chris Dunn. Ooh. Eric Gordon. Jordan. Kemba. Jalen. Got Bradley. Randolph. Kid Grills. Dellavedova. Ricky Rubio. McCollum. Tobias Harris. And we have a green flood of LeBron Express Lane. That's not too bad. We'll take that insert. And Darren Collison, league leaders, winner stays, Tony Parker. We got Miles Bridges as a rated rookie. Drew Holiday. And we have a Danny Green. Actually, we'll flip him back over this way now. Danny Green. Looks like we have a Rookie Kings, Anthony Simmons. Svi, rated rookie. Oh, now we're going to flip them all over the place again. Dylan Brooks. Kyrie Thomas. Oh, I see a Trey. We got John Wall, Trey Young. We got Russell. We got Lonnie Walker. Looks like we got a just base rookie of Miles Bridges. Blake Griffin. We have Kyle Herter playing well for the Hawks. We got DeAnthony Melton. Jerome Robinson for the Clippers. Michael Green. Kevin Love. We got a regular base Anthony Simmons. for the Blazers. Melvin Frazier. Jared Vanderbilt. So not too bad. We did get some parallels, some good rookies here. Just to recap, we're going to separate our rookies here. So we're slowly getting all these rookie cards sorted out here. Trey Young, Kyrie Thomas, Svi. I don't think I've even heard that guy play basketball yet, to be honest with you. Miles Bridges. Got that Bron for the Lakers. So, not too bad. And on another note, just some other recent stuff that we got. Out of some other heritage, we ended up getting the Dominic Kershaw for the 2018 NLCS. And we did get a short print. I've got another one somewhere, but we have a Yadier Molina short print, the high numbers. And out of some Prism, we got a Charles Barkley, the red, white, and blue Prism. Allen Iverson, just a base. We got a hyped Giannis. Oop, I'm dropping Giannis over here. We got a green Ricky Rubio. Looks like Anthony Simmons is following me this week, so we got a base Prism of that, and we have a dominance of Dirk, and some other Donruss rated rookies. We got Michael Porter Jr., Chandler Hutchinson. We got Bags, Spellman, Mitchell Robinson playing well for the Knicks, getting some good playing time. Both Knicks. Kevin Knox. We got some base stuff here, and wow, look at that. We ended up picking up Fantasy Stars of LeBron James. Not too bad. So last few days we've had some LeBrons come through, a couple Kyries. We did get another Michael Porter Jr. there. Some football. Got some contenders, Dak and Big Ben, JJ, Goff. We got that legendary contenders of Lawrence Taylor, Patty Mahomes, and our rookie of the year contenders, Jamon Moore, and got another Josh Rosen. And we did get a team quads. Guess who's on that? Mr. Barkley. Rashawn Grivens from Rookies and Stars, Calvin Ridley, and we did get some inserts of Antonio Brown, which is now with the Raiders, and standing ovation of A.G. Green, still on the Bengals. But as it is, that's what we ended up getting this week. Lots of new stuff to probably list up online. We'll get to that as soon as we can. Got to take lots of photos. But if you like what we saw today on the video, why don't you give us a like and a subscription. You can follow us at Facebook at BPL Sports Cards and Collectibles. We are on Instagram as well. And give us a like there too. Check out some of the photos we post. Just some of the stuff we recover over the weeks. And we'll be doing some mail days pretty soon. I had some more recent eBay stuff that I bought online. So as soon as those come in, we'll give it a little bit of video and some pictures of it. But this is Brian saying thank you, and we'll see you next time.